Yes. Pew 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 pew. Welcome to my unboxing channel. Let's do this. Akabur is great. Akabur is awesome. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, let's just do this. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Unboxing with Akabur. Yes. This thing, and this is a sticker. So yeah, damn, this looks awesome. I'm so happy. So yeah, well, at least there will be no like translation censorship and stuff, or inaccurate translations. I will just will be not getting a big portion of the story because my Japanese is not good enough. But there will be no censorship. Okay, let's just open it already. What it says DLC. Okay, let's try and speak English. Let's try and read this. It says Kono download bango wa. So this DLC number. Download contents no. What is this? I don't know. I already need my dictionary. I don't know. Some kind of code inside. Let's just open it up already. Again, you see what we have here is stab wounds, gunshots, and sex. Yes. And online manual. Oh, right, online manual. How cool? Not cool. I mean, I'm being sarcastic. I want my manual to be here, printed, but whatever. Anyway, here's the cartridge. I'm ready to play, and that's it. Thank you for watching another. No, wait, 1 sec. I almost forgot. I need to officially put the cartridge into my super cool cartridge game card holder. So, thank you for your support. I love you all. Read the Monday post now, and I'll see you all next week. And that's it. Take care, guys. Bye.